Konnichiwa! Are you craving for some authentic Japanese foods? Whether it's ramen, tempura, or even onigiri, you'll find it all here at Tenya in Asiana Square, Parañaque City. The vibe here feels like a modern Japanese resto, spacious, cozy, and perfect for your dine-in experience. Mag-takeout sana kami kaso inabot na kami ng gutom kaya naman we ordered their gyo ramen and tempo ramen set. The gyoza is crispy on the outside yet juicy and flavorful naman on the inside. Tapos yung ramen na ang sarap higupin, lalo na pag mainit. The broth is super rich and loaded with umami flavors. Plus, bet ko rin yung noodles because it's firm and chewy and it absorbs the flavor of the broth. At ang tempura, I wouldn't dare not to order this. Tama ang kwento, it's light and crunchy ang batter, golden brown ang luto, juicy ang shrimp, crispy sa labas, at tender sa loob. At dahil dyan, napa-order ako ng tempura takeout box. May 4 pieces prawn, 4 pieces karage, 4 pieces salmon, 4 pieces sweet potato, 8 pieces green beans. May 3 kinds of sauces pa nakasama, may don tare, wasabi salt, and tempura sauce. At hindi lang yan, umorder rin kami ng onigiri takeout box. 4 ang laman ng bawat box. May kanigiri, tori nigiri, gyonigiri, at salmon nigiri. By the way, I really like the takeout boxes here. It's neat, secure, and travel-friendly. Tenya takeout boxes are perfect for potlucks, pasalubong, or simply satisfying your Japanese cravings anywhere. Kaya naman for dine-in or takeout, solve ka na sa Tenya.